Alright guys, it's me and this is the AVenger CTF at the TryHackMe. And now you all missing the Windows CTF and it will be Windows CTF for us. So we will gonna be using here the Windows uploading file. Privilege escalation will really easy or it's in unintended way, I don't know, but I will gonna be show you two way of the privilege escalation for the CTF. The first one that we have to be understanding here about how we can work with it's actually to Windows upload file and how we can enumerating it. And really congratulations here, my man is 0x Bob is here, got here first blood for every points. So let's do this together. Then we got here the important things. So we got here to IP address, then we have to be actually your enumerating. So let's do this before seeing it. Something like that is important. So we got here applications.html and bytes naming CSS or something like that, but we have to be focused on here dashboard, gift and example. So what will be gift? It means of gift and dashboard or something like that here. So for sure you have to be starting here mmap scan for this. So sorry, we have to be just really alright. So we have to be just starting here mmap scan for this IP address. It's just looking for if there's something different information about to us. So then we can enumerating with this so per is actually what I mean. So definitely second things, for example, you have to be go here your burp set and just looking for about this sites, templates or something like that, or the architecture. I mean, so it could be to able to, it's not actually able to, but it will be easy to with burp set is over here. So we have to be just turn on or burp and to go to here the target map. Then for example try with dashboard. So we have to be get requests about the target on dashboard. So we got here the privacy policy or dashboard JavaScript file or the HTML and PHP file here. Then it's look like for example Apache, Mario database, PHP and Perl. So we'll come to it's for Windows 7 here. So for example, if you wanna be enumerating it, so maybe you have to be now it's enumerating. Maybe you will be I don't know, will find something here, but it's not like intended way here. So we have to be go back again. So if it's to checking here the gift, then it will be important for you. I have no idea, but you just have to be checking it. I actually get this here to shell and it's a completed room at this gift directory. Maybe its dashboard will work for everyone. It's not I don't know. It's actually but I think so. It's a gift is intended way to here. So if your machine or your web server is so slow, it's not your fault. You have to be know about it. It's just for about to TryHackMe. TryHackMe is really bad for the Windows machine. So Windows machine is so slow, you just have to be waiting for the gift here for the enumerating. So for example, you can check this like that again. So you just have to be waiting for to get something important to request about here for gift directory. So we got here. All right, so it's actually domain or URL is changing AVenger to TryHackMe. So you have to be at this is definitely on your nano and etc host with sudo or without sudo. So let me go show you guys. It's over here for sure. So you just have to be check it here. Then I actually got it before. It's AVenger.TryHackMe. You have to be give this IP address if what's IP address is here as over there. So Control and Control X. So here. So now we have to be focused on this. So AVenger.TryHackMe is it here? Yes, it's over there. So we got here too many complete and templates here, but we just know about it of them. They are using here WordPress. So you can actually focus that on here the WordPress or different things here. but I actually am not sure you will get something here, but it will not work for me. For example, if you want to go this to directory at WordPress admin Ajax the PHP, it will be really so slow here. So I thought about it. I think it's not is the not like that. It's for sure is not intended the way why I'm thinking is like that, because it will be take your time too much. Is like that. So you cannot actually the accesses, it is just to give it here the null or the zero, something like that. But if you scroll down on the AVenger.TryHackMe at this gift directory, so you will be get here to request your training. So it will be charged as a ready for your life adventure or train with us or something like that, important file here. So we can actually try to be enumerating here, uploading some file or creating our reverse shell or something like that. But we're gonna be let's just give it here email test.task.com, the phone number, it doesn't matter, you just have to be give something different like that. So interior messages like could be like let me call here Osma, and we have to be choose a file here, so we cannot not right now to uploading file here directly. So I think it's here. We can go Avenger and say like nano as .txt and just give this. So we're just looking for if they are accepting this file here. So let me choose a file, but before to do this, let me start in here Python listener. Then we can to change it is here. Let me change this as osman.txt and to send message here. So alright, thank you for your submission. Our team is delighted to review every message carefully. You will be further for it. So what does it mean? So there actually is not just looking for the something different file. They're also checking here to all message file here, but we not actually successes here to get it. So now you have to be understanding how we can as users for to uploading here the file and get this to reverse shell or something like that. So if you're actually here the before it's who calls PowerCat, so we can uploading here PowerCat directly. Then we can as run it with bat file. Then bat file will give us this reverse shell. Then we can upgrade our shell or lateral moment or something like that. So the before to do this, I think we have to be looking for how we can use it with PowerCat. So let me go here my Google. So we just have to be go Google here and just call PowerCat, for example, bat reverse shell, but this is not useful for us the firstly. So we just have to be to PowerCat usage Python. So we can call his PowerCat PowerShell because we try to be get a shell here, but why we are using here PowerShell PowerCat is like that. So you can go hacking articles is or to Medium page. It will be really useful for you. But firstly you just have to be to understand the case and how it work and how it go. So for example, for the download strings on your system, you can use IX name object system net web client download strings is over here. So we are right now is how we can uploading our shell. So then to get here to shell here, but to firstly, can we actually uploading this PowerShell one file? I didn't think so. I really don't think so. So we are just now it's able to be IX name object system nav net web client download string. So we have to be call this on your machine, but it's just for on PowerShell. But we are not actually using here the PowerShell. So why we are check this or shell with this about different things here. So let me using here the clear and let me looking for it edit and zoom in. No, it's like edit zoom in. Yes, yeah, I just want to be do this for you guys. So we have to be calling here PowerShell because we have to be working here with PowerShell. Because our machine is not PowerShell here, so we have to be called it. It's the easy way is with PowerShell. So it was my So PowerShell command is here. So I call it PowerShell-C because of we are not using the PowerShell, and the copy all of things to here and just go there and paste it. Before I do this, for sure, we have to be attribute value is over here. So which value is like that is like lhost, lport, and to reverse shell or something like that. But the firstly let me attribute them. So we just have to be go here lhost, and you just have to be giving your local host. My local host is 10.8.72 and 270. So for the lport, you can change another port here, generally using 4444. So let me use it then again. So the second thing is I think you will be to check it here, the shell file, not like that. So it will be to let me checking this again. Yes, it's cool to like the shell, right? All right, so we have to be, oh my god, select the QT, yes. So we have to be attributed here the shell.txt. So it will be, you can call it here reverse shell or your name or your mom's name. I don't care, but it will be to easy to your which file you have to be to output it. So for example, I want to be output it with shell.txt. So let me attribute it again. So definitely is the second things. You can check it. This is PowerCat is over here, you know. You can use it's also with this link, but I actually be installed at my machine is over here. PowerCat PowerShell 1 is over there. Then we have to be working with this. I think it will be useful for us. So let me listening here, Python listener for the gadget. So let me go another AVenger machine. So it's over here. So now we can I think is clear osman.txt. So let me call my PowerShell command is what I got here. Is over there, right? Yes, it's over here. So let me add it for you and zoom in. So we just have to be called here PowerShell, and the copying that just give it the shell for the link here. You can use your URL, your port, and your file name got it here, or you can use this directly is this. So it doesn't matter. You just have to be uploading here PowerCat PowerShell 1. So then you have to be PowerCat-lhost. We attribute lhost before your port, and so which file wanna be see me, the exe is over here. Then just paste it, it's home, Elliot, documents, AVenger, and the shell with shell.txt will be do it here. So if you're ready for, just do it. So let me give it enter. What's wrong? Is there something wrong? So can we call it here directly she's shell? I don't think so. So let me call it here. No, it's like that. I gotta hear something wrong, I think, but I think I can fix it. So let me fix it. It's how we can do it. So again, yes, it could be like that. I know. Just let me add here $sign. So could be to change it shell with shell.txt maybe. So what I got here wrong, I don't know. Let me do it. So it's not here, right? Is it could be like I got it here wrong because of what? I don't know what. So can we change it with shell? Yes. Then we got here shell.txt. The PowerCat missing for parameter-c. What I got here, system training again. So what I got here wrong. So let me ask this ChatGPT. So can I get here something wrong and to continue our machine again. So let me do it. Okay. Alright, I give my alhost. Oh, that's C? Is it my alhost is alhost? Yes. So what's wrong? Remove shell.txt and PowerShell again. So cat shell.txt. Dash P is wrong. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Oh no. Really? PowerShell cat shell.txt. Yes, alright, so it's worked. So we got here actually yes, it could be like here you can check it documentation. But you know what? We actually creating here our payload for the machine. So we just give it here our lhost, localhost, and local port. Then we are listening into here. Now we can get virtual shell of this machine. But before to do this, is for sure you cannot upload in here txt file. You have to be give it on exploited bat. So how you can work with exploit bat, it will really easy for you. So you just have to be let me go here, sublime tags and exploit that bat. You just have to be give this machine the start, then to /b. So we have to be call here PowerShell.c and to just give it here codes. So we are actually using here the same codes to build to machine is over here. So you just have to be transferring this file shell.txt is over here, you know, or call. So then just give here the -e code. So it will be running code for us. So how I do this, it will really easy. I generally looking for this to blog. I'm just looking for the ChatGPT or something like that. Then I actually created here exploit that bat. So it's over here. You can see it's like that. So I think it's okay for the transferring. So let me controller C it and just go back. Now we have to be transferring exploit that bat. So why we are called here Python listener and go there and just listen here and cat and just go my and give my again task.taskcom for the phone number. It doesn't matter. And choose a file here exploit.bat and send message. Then we can get here reverse shell directly. Can we get here the shell? Oh, it's because here. All right, I have to change my. Yes, for sure. I have to change my IP addresses. That's for sure. Let me give it and choose a file, choosing exploit bat one more time and just to uploading it. Is there something wrong again? So I don't think so, but no, exploit that bat. What's wrong here? Alright, my IP address is okay, I think. Alright. Yes, it's got a shell and it's called here 2000. Then we got here guy. Also, sorry, we have to be called who am I? Now we are Hugo file here. So we are upgrading our shell. So let me go is for sure at the firstly is C and go user is here, users dear. Alright, so we are Hugo, I think. So let me call dear again and go here desktop dear. Alright, so our user.txt is over here, so you can read it with more and type. It doesn't matter. So now it's the time to be privilege escalation. So before this CTF, I'm on to hack the box and solve the hospital machine was really cool, and that also is Windows machine too. So there is some unintended way to the root. So it will be same here with this root and unintended way to here. So, but it is unintended way. So let me show you firstly unintended way, then we can jumping intended way here directly. So let me open it and just if you remember here before, so let me show you guys. Just change this directory. It's like here, I think. AVenger the TryHackMe. So we have to be call it really, bro. What the fuck? Yes, it's over here. So we can call index of like that. So it's working on examp and hash docs, right? So now we can file uploading file here. So we can it's really unintended way, but it's work. So if your mission or to be get privilege escalation, you can do it. I think it doesn't matter. So you just have to be go back again to C file here. Then you just have to be call here dir. You know there's an exam. So you know what is an exam is like to war and www.html for the Linux machine. So let me call here dir again. So there is too many things, but you have to be go for hash docs here. cd hash docs. So we got here the hash documents. So you will see here application.html. Byte name CSS is over there. Favicon eco gift. So we have an accesses here. So we can upload in here to reverse shell. Then we can get it here with anti-authority system, I mean like administrator, because it backs for hits on administrator. I know it's vulnerable, but it's not intended. So how we can do it? It's really easy. So you can, for example, uploading here PHP reverse shell. But I want to be show you different things because it will be really useful to you. So how we can do it? Just let me to do it something more I mean like clearly and like cool. You know what I mean? So you have to be go pony shell. So what is the pony shell? You just have to be called here pony shell. Alright, so pony shell is like that. Alright, so I got it before for another machine. So pony shell, you just have to be got here the shell.php. You have to be find here shell.php. Just install it on your machine is like that. Then we got here the shell.php like that. So we have to be two guys is important things to here. Just transfer it at exam hash docs, then we can get here to hitbacks admin. But how was it possible? It's definitely for possible we have to be change or shell with PowerShell because it's not PowerShell, it's directly CMD. So let me call it PowerShell-EP bypass. So it will be giving us the here PowerShell. Yes, it's changed with PowerShell. Now we can use it to again how we can use it. I asked the loading string. It's here. You know. So it was here, yeah, it was here. So we can actually again use it, but mine's is not work. Maybe yours will work. I don't know. But it's like here, like that. So we can call here import module is invoke all. So I asked new object, but it was not work for me. So let me call here to curl. Because curl will work here. So HTTP and give you your IP address. So give your port and to which file want to be transferring here. For example, I want to be transferring shell.php. So I think we can change our listener like that. Because it's always changing with for reverse shell.php. So we are just uploading here and -o as for the output it is here C examp like that and at the hash docs on the shell.php. So let me transfer it. Alright, so it will be transferred successfully here. So let me call here dir and or shell.php is over here. If it's there, now we can call here. So let me go shell.php. Then we get here pony shell. Just you have to be run here. Who am I? So your system is right now cd c. Okay, I'm sorry. So let me call here dir cd user dir cd administrator, call dir, let me go desktop, and your root.txt is over here again. So it will be, I think, is unintended way, but if you are interesting about intended way here, so it will be. So let me show you. I got it here before for sure. Is it like that? I remember, but I will looking for you. Where was it? It could be like. Oh, it's like. Yes, is here. It's over there. Yes, for sure. So it is the I think is intended way, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. But it could be like that. But I don't know. I told you before. You can use that. It will be give you to just looking for your mmap scan. Then you will see here 3289 port is Microsoft Terminal Services, and you can get here with this command is password for to Hugo. Then you can using here x3 rdp. Then you can reading root.txt here, but I don't know. I told you before. I really don't know. So maybe it's like could be like MySQL is like that, but you just have to be running here set item like that. So then we can call it here the different things. So let me do it. Then you have to be uploading here PowerShell. Then just to run this, then it will be give you password for Hugo. Then you can to access this RDP can read so root.txt here. It will be really easy, but this one is what more easy. So this is this end of this CTF guy. I really like it, but I just don't like it if it was really slow. And the privilege escalation was really unintended, or I cannot find it. And the for sure is here. I think we have to be check it here is like SQL injection or something like that for the rooted to get the shell here. But it will be nice. I actually love the Windows machine too much. And thank you for watching this video.